हाय फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है मेरे स्टेज चैनल पे। आज मैं आपसे बात करने वाला हूँ IPL 10 2017 पैच के बारे में, जो कि ई स्पोर्ट्स क्रिकेट के लिए है और इसे एचडी स्टूडियोज़ ने रिलीज़ कर दिया है। ये 2 टाइप्स के पैच है, एक रूबी और एक है ब्लू स्फायर प्रो। और इस बार की जो पैच है बिल्कुल आपको फ्री नहीं मिलने वाली है। और पहला जो रूबी पैच है इन्होंने प्राइस रखा है 50 रुपीज़। सेकेंड जो है ब्लू स्फीयर प्रो पैच, इसका जो प्राइस है इन्होंने रखा है 70 रुपीज़। यह पेटीएम के द्वारा खरीद सकते हैं। डाउनलोड लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है, वहाँ से जाकर आप खरीद लें। और ये बता दूं, इस बार की जो पैच है बिल्कुल ही ईयर फ्री पैच है। मैंने इसे 1.5 घंटे तक खेल कर देखा है, कोई ईयर नहीं है, कोई ऑटोमेटिक शट डाउन नहीं होता है, कोई जो जर्सी नंबर है कोई गलत नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, बिल्कुल सब सही है। इस बार की जो इन्होंने गेम निकाली है मुझे खेलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा ये गेम। और आपको इस गेम को कैसे इंस्टॉल करना है ये मैं आपको ये वीडियो ख़त्म होने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं। और आपको बता दूं, अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। और आपको ये गेम खेलकर कैसा लगा ये मेरे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर कमेंट करिएगा। चलिए मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ गेम को कैसे इंस्टॉल करना है। पहले जो है आपको फ्रेश ये स्पोर्ट्स क्रिकेट को इंस्टॉल करना है, या अगर आपके पास है तो उसे किसी एक दूसरे फोल्डर में कॉपी भी कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं मैंने यहाँ पे कॉपी कर दिया है एक नया फोल्डर बनाकर। और यहाँ से जो मैंने IPL 10 की पैच को डाउनलोड किया है, यहाँ पे है IPL 10 की पैच और वो रोस्टर, ये दोनों यहाँ पे हैं। तो इस पर आपको क्लिक करना है, क्लिक करके रहना है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पर क्लिक करना है। यस करिए। इसके बाद जैसे ही आप नेक्स्ट करेंगे तो यहाँ पर पासवर्ड आएगा। जब आप ये गेम को खरीदेंगे पेटीएम के थ्रू तो ये पासवर्ड आपको मिल जाएगा। उसके बाद इस गेम को ब्राउज करना है, जो कि आप देख पा रहे हैं जहाँ मैंने जिस फोल्डर में पेस्ट किया है, देख पा रहे हैं IPL 10 by HD मैंने लिखा है, उसी फोल्डर पे जाको आपको सेलेक्ट करना है। देखिए ओके करिए और नेक्स्ट, बस ये इंस्टॉल हो रहा है। हाँ तो ये देखिए यहाँ इंस्टॉल हो चुका है। आप फिनिश पे क्लिक करिए और यहाँ से रोस्टर को हम पहले कॉपी कर लेते हैं और इसे जाकर डॉक्यूमेंट्स में ये स्पोर्ट्स क्रिकेट 7 में पेस्ट करना है। पेस्ट करते हैं, करने बाद हो गया है। अब चलिए आपको दिखा देते हैं गेम को खेलकर, ठीक है।
HD Studioz.
Hello and welcome to today's 2020 Cup Group Stage match. I'm Mark Nicholas, Richie Benno is here as well, and we're bringing you a day of cricket that promises thrills and spills galore. This looks a pretty good surface. The only thing you'd say about it is it might be a touch too dry, and therefore as the game goes on, just crack a little. It's a bit overcast. You might think it'll swing around this morning, but I'd still be inclined to bat first and get runs on the ball. This is a beautiful pitch and you just had to bat first. I mean, a mountain of runs if the sun was out. The problem is the overhead conditions. It's really quite grim, a bit grey. I don't think light is quite a problem, but rain is threatened as the game goes on. On balance, though, get your runs now and put pressure on the opposition.
Mills, let's get it.
This is a match that's had everything so far. Can the second innings possibly match it? Well, to find out for you, it's Richie Benno.
Thanks, Mark. So, we're all ready for the first ball of the innings. The sweeper picks up.
Exciting player. There's risk in that stroke, but it is maximum.
We can have a look at that again. Coley, facing.
He has smashed that a long way. That is great to watch for the neutral, not so good for the bowler.
It's 2 sixes off the over now. Coley, facing.
Oh, he really laid into that delivery, 4 all the way. Oh, the bowler can't believe it. That's out of the ground. Maximum.
Coley has moved into the 20s and is starting to look far more relaxed.
That is massive. It's Richie Benno.
Thanks, Mark. Welcome back to the cricket ground for this next session of play. Got him, yes, he's out. It was a big deflection, no doubt about it.
Brilliantly taken by the fielder, brilliant. He's backed up the bowler at a time when it was most needed.
Mills gets his first wicket. That's a duck for the 1.
A first baller, that is just so embarrassing. And rest assured, there'll be a few comments from the crowd as he heads back towards the podium. Yes, lovely stroke. What a beauty. And how have he enjoyed that?
Let's take a look at that in slow motion. Confident appeal. Not out.
Well, with the angle he's bowling from, I reckon that's missing leg stump.
Let's see the action replay of that.
Miles, he's hit Miles.
6. Let's see the action replay of that. Played into the gap. The sweeper picks up. Warren waiting at the striker's end.
Beautifully played. You couldn't imagine anything better.
Beautifully timed through the covers for 4. And the end of the over.
My feeling is they'll look to blast away from the start, particularly with the fielding restrictions.
Must have been close. Should be some runs here. There's just one there. Smith facing. I'm not sure if he's going to be able to carry on after that blow.
Would you believe it? He's picked the fielder out perfectly.
He's gone for a duck.
Well, he wasn't out in the middle for long. He didn't trouble the scorers, and neither did he trouble us.
This was how the wicket fell. And the end of the over.
The fielding restrictions provide enough opportunity for attacking.
Straight to a fielder. That must be close. The umpire's not moving on that one.
He's just managed to get outside the line. Close, but no cigar, I reckon.
Let's see the action replay. Struck in front. He's out.
Well, I reckon when we watch the replay, we'll see this is plumb.
Patel was out for a duck.
He's not happy with that. I don't know what the complaint is, but he does not look happy. What a wonderful stroke. My heaven, he looks in good shape out there.
We can have a look at that again.
The fielding restrictions provide enough opportunity for attacking batsmen, so that showed us the maker's name, and what a wonderful, easy, free swing of the bat.
That was a wonderfully timed straight drive. It's straight to a fielder. He's worked that into the gap. That must be close. The umpire says not out.
He's just got outside the line of off-stump there.
The sweeper picks up.
No, the bowler won't be happy about that. First, get runs on the board and put the opposition under pressure.
was no ball by Mills. He's worked that into the gap. There's the umpire signal, no ball. Play it away with comfort. The field is appealed, but he was quite comfortably home. Played into the gap. The sweeper picks up. He was pushing his luck a little there. Turned that into two. That's good running. Oh, that's close. The umpire says not out. The umpire didn't have to think too hard about that one.
No, that was never going to hit the stumps. Not a difficult decision for the umpire to make. That is not out.
We can have a look at that again.
You can't set fields for a shot like that. Brilliant. This class playing completely down the wrong line. It's made a terrible mess of the stumps too.
Mills gets his first wicket. He's got it into the gap. There's just one there.
Right, but if I was a batsman, I'd be licking my lips.
So we're all ready for the first ball of the innings.
Ah, well, everything was in the right place there, and it raced away the bound. Never mind the fielder, the bloke in row 10's got the best chance of catching that.
That is a glorious stroke. Foolish running, that's simply throwing wickets away.
An early wicket like that puts such pressure on the batting side.
This was how the wicket fell. Smith waiting at the striker's end. Oh, that could be a very painful blow.